Okay, my little brother sent me this email, man, about doing a virus thing for going on YouTube and doing a commercial. And I'm a small businessman, so I ain't got much money. So my two ladies here, we decided to make our own YouTube it or whatever. So
the YouTube.
The YouTube. Okay.
YouTube.
And it's Christmas time, man, and it's just a time to just, you know, the jolly old...
You can't say Christmas.
I say Christmas. What's the matter with you, man? It's Christmas time. So, here we go. You ready?
We're ready.
On the first day of Christmas, I found these things at Mark's Bolts. 100 pack of ball bungees. And then, what comes after one? Oh, on the second day of Christmas, I found this at Mark's Bolts. 2 crescent wrenches and hey, Elf, over here, 100 pack of ball bungees. Oh, man, you can't get good help these days. On the third day of Christmas, I found these at Mark's Bolts. Oh, 3 wedge anchors, 2 crescent wrenches. Oh, man, and 100 pack of ball bungees. On the 4th day of Christmas, I found this at Mark's Bolts. Oh, where is she, man? 4 impact sockets, 3 wedge anchors. Over here, baby. 2 crescent wrenches. Man, this song's gonna take forever. And 100 pack of ball bungees. On the 5th day of Christmas, I found this at Mark's Bolts. 5 gold hitch pins. Wait. Okay, you ready, ladies? We're gonna rock now. 4 impact sockets, 3 wedge anchors, 2 wrenches, and oh man, and 100 pack of ball bungees. Okay, we're gonna have to pick up the pace, ladies. On the 6th day of Christmas, I found this at Mark's Bolts. 6 grade 8 hex bolts. They're yellow.
Oh yeah.
6 grade 8 hex bolts and 5 gold hitch pins. 4 impact sockets, 3 wedge anchors. Come on, 3 wedge anchors. There you go. 2 crescent wrenches and 100 pack of ball bungees. On the 7th day of Christmas, I found this at Mark's Bolts. 7 high-speed drill bits. 6 grade 8 hex bolts. 5 gold hitch pins. Now let's rock, ladies. 4 impact sockets, 3 wedge anchors, 2 crescent wrenches, and 100 pack of ball bungees. Yeah! I get the swing of it. On the 8th day of Christmas, I found this at Mark's Bolts.
Is that me?
Yes, that's you, Ed. 8 stainless Allens.
Oh yeah.
7 high-speed drill bits.
Wait a minute! Okay. Alright, here we go. What was
6 grade 8 hex bolts. And 5 gold hitch pins. And 4 impact sockets, 3 wedge anchors, 2 crescent wrenches, and 100 pack of ball bungees. Oh, we're getting better, man. 9 on the 9th day of Christmas, I found this at Mark's Bolts. 9 carbide burrs, 8 stainless Allens, 7 high-speed drill bits, 6 grade 8 hex bolts, 5
I'm ready.
9 carbide burrs. Okay, 8 stainless Allens. 7 high-speed drill bits.
Right here! Right here!
6 grade 8 hex bolts.
Heyo!
5 gold hitches. 4 impact sockets. 3 wedge anchors. 2 crescent wrenches. 100 pack of ball bungees. Alright, it's 12, man. Are you ready? On the 12th day of Christmas, I found these at Mark's Bolts.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, 12 silver tarps.
My hat's off.
Oh, man. 11 plated lag bolts.
Yee-hoo!
10 metric lock nuts.
I dropped one.
9 carbide burrs.
Right here. Ah! Whoops!
8 stainless. Don't look the burrs, man. Those things are expensive. 8 stainless Allens. 7 high-speed drill bits. 6 grade 8 hex bolts. 5 gold hitches. 4 impact sockets. 3 wedge anchors. 2 crescent wrenches.
Forward.
2 crescent wrenches. And 100 pack of gold bungees. Welcome to Mark's Bolts.